happy. We hope you are too. We hope you enjoyed these classes. And we hope that our knowledge could give you wisdom to take your dance level to the next level. And in the classes in the future, of course, we will give you new material, new mindsets, new musicality tasks. So our goal is to give you new inspiration. Anna has been laughing many times in these classes. We hope you have too. It's important to have fun. When we have fun and relax, we learn faster. We will share with you what you already know, but we want to give you windows. With windows, we mean you know a basic step, right? But that basic steps has windows. You can play with it. You can build on top of it. So you don't only need to learn new steps all the time, you know? So you only know one way of doing one step. Now you will have many ways of doing the same step. Lady Saida, right? When I'm opening up and doing a pivot this time, when she turns, I let her walk down with her right. Then I push her to the front with my arm. So she walks to the front with her left, and now I follow with my left. So left goes with left, and I make sure my hips are a bit tight and not here. Walk down the left, turn her right leg in, and end with a basic 2 to the side. From this angle. 1, 2, cross leg. Make her walk, put down her right, follow her left with your left. Turn in basic 2 and collect. And instead of finishing it as before, which looked like this, turn in basic 2 and collect, what we will do now instead, sorry here again, is that we will go walk down with the left as we did before, but this time we'll follow her with our right behind her and make a tap with her right as well. Tap. You see? I add another, not a step, not a weight transfer, but a tap. So my main weight is still on my left and hers too. I don't let her go. And the tap energy is what, Anna?
It's energy number 3.
3. You see, it's because if we go in the tap moment with energy number 2, she might mistaken it for being a weight transfer. So tap. Maybe it's 65 weight, 35 here approximately, right?
Yeah, something like that.
And then we end the same way. We turn her in, basic 2 and collect.
Holy, holy water, won't you wash my sins away? I'm drinking some wine today. My fate is wavering. Oh, yeah. Lovely, lovely Anna, I really need to talk to you today.
Poof! Magical Anna, magical dress change, life is magic. Variation number 7. Same as before, basic 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Instead of now just making her doing the tap like before, tap with her left, this time we put her down with the weight on her left, making her pivot on her left, making her go down with her right to the back, sweeping front, turn in basic 2 and collect. Let's go deeper into the details here. What is exactly happening here? So when I go 5 and 6, I make my tension in my upper body more firm. Imagine 2.8 or 2.7 energy level. When I put down her weight on her left, this more tense frame will help her to turn around. And here, when you put her down on her right, you don't go down on your right yourself, guys. You still wait with your left on your weight on your left. Put down her weight, so her left now can be swept by your right, like this. turn her in basic 2 and collect. One risk here is if I try to sweep her left before I'm very sure that her right is put down after the pivot or pivot around. See here? If I'm too fast with sweeping her leg here, exactly, something like that will happen. So really guys, make sure her weight is down fully before you sweep her left with your right. The down up, the pre-leading here. So not only the energy shift in the frame, but also what happens here is that when I do 5 on end, I go up, down. You see that change? I go bam, bam, which will help her. Up, down, and sweep, turn in basic 2 and collect. So that wavy form of leading helps her instead of keeping it flat. You could do it, but it will not be as clear, and followers loves clear leaders, right?
Yes.
Good.
Definitely.
So here you see what we've said before, that we are not fans of sequences. We are more fans of variations of the same thing. This is the risk when you learn a long sequence. You will get stuck more in the sequence than paying attention to how can I play with the variations so it can fit the song more. So in the next example, me and Anna will show you what happens if we add tempo change and repetitions. Watch, okay? You will hear me speak during the dance so you get an idea. Repetition and tempo shift. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, the song says bum 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 bum. Wait till it comes again. Oh, it's there. Bum 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 bum. Wait on the spot, relax before you go on. He sings faster. Oh. Welcome to the first musicality class. We will focus on the lyrics in this musicality class. Musicality can be taught and learned in so many different ways, and if we would share everything we know about musicality in one lesson,
it would still be not enough.
Exactly, and it would take forever, right?
Yeah.
So let's focus on the lyrics of a song I love. He sings, I don't wanna know, keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore. Please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. What can we tell from here? Well, the sharp points, the intonations are 5. You find 5 peaks in the way he sings. I don't wanna know. Okay? Keep it on a low. These 5 sharp intonations, they are 5, but since they are quick, they happen on 1 and 2 and 3. So from 1 to 3, it's quick if you want to catch them all. Musicality can be danced on spot or while you walk. Let's see what we can do on the spot if we catch all of them, all these 5, in every sentence he sings that way, in the sharp way. 1 and 2 and 3. 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 Oh baby, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. So it's on spot and I catch all of them. But don't get stuck into catching all of them. Sometimes it can be stressful to try to catch everything. And also it will be like a repetition of the same thing.
And that could be boring also.
If she knows every time, oh, he will do this 5 times in a row, it's not so funny or not so exciting. Exactly. So to add some variety, let's now focus on the 3 last sharp points. So we skip the 2 first. So if he sings, I don't wanna know, let's only take the wanna know. And we skip the 2 first of everything. So 1, 2, and 3. 1 on the low. What happens if you only want to catch the last? So you skip all the 4 first. So it says, I don't want to know. Please don't let it show. So only on the last one you pick that firmness. Let's see what happens.
I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know.
You can catch all of it, part of it, or the last. You can think and have this mindset in every song you listen to. If you hear that they're singing a long thing, pick it all, pick parts of it, pick the last. So you have a choice. Let's do the same thing with walking musicality. So now we've done the catching of the phrase on the spot. What happens if we walk? But the best of the best of the best is if you can combine on the spot with on the walk. So sometimes you stop and you do things like a tiny thing on her back, or like back, forth, and then you move on. So you're not doing everything on the go or everything on the spot. That could look like this.
I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know. If you bleed me, keep it on the low. 'Cause my heart can't take it anymore. If you craving, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
We will now pay attention not only to how they sing, because what we've been doing until now is to focus on how they sing. I don't want to know, bam, 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 bam. Not actually paying attention to what they sing. Can we dance in a way where we can catch what they sing? Let's see.
I just